Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating easy causes, because 70% of HDMI issues are cables or TVs. First, power off and unplug the Xbox, remove the stand, and detach every cable. Next, test that same HDMI cable and TV input with another device so you know the port is the suspect. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap, collect Torx T10/T8, a Phillips, a spudger, and a magnifier. Now open the case carefully. You're ready to access the internals. Once inside, work methodically. Remove the marked screws and disengage clips while noting cable routing for reassembly. Next, remove shields to expose the rear PCB where the HDMI connector sits. You're looking for lifted pads, cracked solder joints, loose through hole pins, or debris caught in the connector. These explain intermittent contact. If you find bent pins, straighten gently with a spudger. If solder joints are cracked, you will need to clean with isopropyl alcohol and prepare for precise solder repair or reflow to restore solid electrical contact. You'll finish by repairing the faulty joint. If minor, apply flux and use a fine soldering iron to reflow joints. If pads or connector are damaged, replace the HDMI module or swap the rear board. Make sure mechanical support is solid so the port isn't stressed during cable insertion. Once repaired, reassemble in reverse, confirming cable routing and shield placement. Finally, power on and test with a known good cable and TV. If still dead, try a full power cycle and then consider board swap or professional repair. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.